9-hour white wax candles for use in UCO Candle Lanterns. Ideal for camping, hiking, outdoor adventures, survival kits, and emergency preparedness. Each 3.5-inch candle burns for 9 hours. High melt temperature minimizes dripping and soot. Cotton wick is sized to maintain ideal flame height and optimize burn time. Includes 20x 3.5-inch white wax candles for use with UCO Candle Lanterns to create an economical source of outdoor warmth and light. Top reviews from the United States. Best heating system ever. I bought 4 of the single UCO Emergency Lanterns. I put all 4 of them in this glass and metal enclosure and I love it. I do a lot of camping year-round as a professional nature photographer. This system makes an excellent heating system for my enclosure. -18°C outside, around +5°C inside. And the candles last 10 hours.